by Jimmy Delgado. What's better for Fontana fleet owners? Fleet owners in Fontana know how vital diesel trucks are to their business. Keeping trucks running efficiently and reliably is crucial. One critical component often overlooked is the camshaft. The camshaft controls the timing of valves, directly affecting power, fuel efficiency, and engine health. When it wears out, you have two main choices: reground or brand new camshafts. Choosing the right option can save you money, extend truck life, and keep your fleet moving. Below, we'll compare the performance, durability, and cost-effectiveness of both options so you can decide what's best. In heavy-duty diesel engines, the camshaft is under constant stress. Over time, it wears down from friction, heat, and contamination. A worn camshaft reduces engine efficiency, increases fuel consumption, and can even lead to engine failure. Fontana's construction and logistics industries depend on their trucks daily. Downtime means lost revenue, missed deadlines, and frustrated clients. So maintaining camshafts in top condition is essential. The question is whether you should invest in a reground camshaft or a brand new one. Both have pros and cons that we'll break down here. A reground camshaft is a used camshaft that has been resurfaced and reshaped. The process removes worn or damaged metal and restores proper lobe shape and size. Regrinding is a common practice in the diesel industry because it can bring a camshaft back to factory specs at a fraction of the cost. Many Fontana fleet mechanics rely on this option because it's readily available and quick. Reground camshafts can perform well if done correctly. However, they depend heavily on the skill of the machinist and the condition of the original camshaft. Let's explore how they stack up. What's better for Fontana fleet owners? When it comes to performance, brand new camshafts have the edge. A new camshaft is manufactured to exact specifications and tolerances. This ensures optimal valve timing, consistent engine performance, and smoother operation. Reground camshafts can still perform well if properly restored, but there's always a slight risk. Since material is removed during the regrind process, the lobes are thinner and slightly weaker. This can lead to reduced durability under heavy loads. For fleets that push their trucks hard, brand new camshafts tend to deliver better long-term performance and reliability on the road. Durability is a big concern for fleet owners. You want a camshaft that lasts thousands of miles without issues. New camshafts have full material strength, which means they can withstand stress and wear longer. They're ideal for trucks that operate harsh conditions, like steep grades or stop-and-go traffic common in Fontana. Reground camshafts, while more affordable, have already lost some of their original material. This makes them more prone to premature wear, especially if the regrind wasn't done perfectly. For fleets running light loads or with lower mileage, reground camshafts can still last a respectable amount of time. Cost effectiveness. Cost is one of the biggest reasons fleet owners consider reground camshafts. A reground camshaft typically costs significantly less than a brand new one. This can be appealing for fleets trying to keep maintenance budgets under control. Reground camshafts can also be installed faster, which minimizes downtime. However, the lower upfront cost comes with potential trade-offs. If the reground camshaft wears out sooner, you could face more frequent replacements. New camshafts cost more upfront, but can reduce long-term repair costs by lasting longer and improving fuel efficiency. Weighing initial savings against future repairs is key to making the right decision. What's better for Fontana fleet owners? In many cases, reground camshafts are easier and faster to source locally. Many Fontana machine shops keep popular diesel camshafts in stock, ready to regrind. This means you can get your truck back on the road faster. New camshafts, on the other hand, may need to be ordered and shipped, which can take days or even weeks. For fleets that can't afford long downtime, reground camshafts may be the better short-term option. That said, some parts suppliers do carry new camshafts in stock for common models, so it's worth checking before deciding. Another factor to consider is quality control. New camshafts come straight from the manufacturer with strict quality assurance standards. You can trust that it meets all OEM specifications. Reground camshafts depend entirely on the skill and attention of the machinist doing the work. If done by a reputable shop, they can be excellent. But if the shop cuts corners or overlooks flaws, the camshaft could fail prematurely. Always ask for references and check the shop's reputation before choosing a reground camshaft. A poor quality regrind can cost you more in the long run than simply buying new. Environmental considerations. For environmentally conscious fleet owners, reground camshafts have a small advantage. Regrinding reuses an existing component rather than manufacturing a new one. This reduces waste and conserves raw materials. While the impact may seem small, it's a step toward greener practices. That said, the environmental benefit shouldn't outweigh performance and durability needs. If your fleet depends on maximum uptime, investing in new parts may still make more sense. But it's worth noting that regrinding aligns with recycling principles and supports local shops in the Fontana area. What's better for Fontana fleet owners? So, which is better for your Fontana fleet? Reground or brand new camshafts? The answer depends on your priorities. If budget constraints are tight and your trucks don't carry heavy loads every day, reground camshafts can be a smart choice. They cost less and can perform well if done right. On the other hand, if your fleet operates under demanding conditions, invests in long-term reliability, and values maximum durability, brand new camshafts are worth the higher price. They're stronger, last longer, and provide peace of mind knowing you're running OEM quality parts. Here are some quick tips for choosing the best camshaft option for your fleet. Always work with a trusted machine shop for reground camshafts. Inspect your engine thoroughly to ensure no other parts need replacement. Consider the load and mileage demands of your trucks before deciding. Factor in not just upfront costs, but also potential downtime and future repairs. Check warranty options. New camshafts often come with better guarantees. For Fontana fleet owners, keeping trucks reliable and cost-efficient is a constant challenge. The decision between reground and new camshafts is more than just a price comparison. It's about balancing performance, durability, and budget to meet your business needs. Reground camshafts offer a practical, affordable solution for lighter-use trucks or when quick turnaround is essential. Brand new camshafts provide maximum strength, reliability, and long-term value for fleets that demand the best. Evaluate your fleet's workload, your budget, and your maintenance goals carefully. Either way, choosing the right camshaft will keep your diesel engines running strong and your business on the move.